Abakada. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the densest planet in the solar system. The Earth was formed approximately 4.45 billion years ago. Earth is the only known planet to support life. Earth's atmosphere is composed of 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. Earth has a powerful magnetic field. It protects the Earth from the effects of solar winds. The Earth has an ozone layer which protects it from harmful solar radiation. Earth has one moon. It is the only natural satellite of the planet Earth. The gravity between the Earth and the Moon causes the tides on Earth. 70% of the Earth's surface is covered in water. Earth takes 23 hours, 56 minutes, and 4 seconds to rotate on its axis. A year on Earth is 365.2564 days. The .2564 causes a leap year every 4 years. Earth is not actually round. In fact, it is geoid. The Earth tilts at roughly 66 degrees. Earth is the only planet not named after a mythological being. Its name derived from the Old English word Eartha and the Anglo-Saxon word Erda, which means ground or soil. Thank you for watching.